Here, folks, today we're going to take a look at this Powrun, that's P-O-W Run. Very nice jump starter slash power bank. So anyways, comes in this nice case. We're going to unzip it right here. Voila! Show you what's inside. So you got your jumper cables right here. You have a charging cord. Then you have the lithium-ion power bank. Built-in flashlight in case of emergency. It's got a little compass actually even. And it can be used as a regular power bank as well. Like it's going to have your USB-A ports and USB-C, okay, as well as a couple others. And really, really easy to use this. Tapping the on button, it shows it's at 83%. And then you can open this spot up, and this is where your jumper cables just go right in there, okay, just like so. And then this also has a button for boost, and it'll also have an indicator light for reversed if you put them on reverse, okay? So we're going to pull that out, put this back in there, but this is an absolutely fantastic device. Was sent to me for review.